Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. I hope you are doing fantastic. Today I'm gonna show you a couple of things that I bought from many different stores like Home Goods, of course, Amazon, Target, yes, Target, the dollar store, and what else? Homesense and Big Lots, I think. Okay, so I would love it if you stick around to see the items. Just before I get started, let me take a moment to welcome all of my new friends to my channel. Welcome to the Glam Squad family. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. And please follow me on Instagram at Glam Style with Dalou, and to my returning, my beloved Glam Squad. Thank you so much for all of your support. I am so grateful for you guys. Okay, so let's go sit up. The first thing that I'm going to show you guys is this beautiful pillow that I got from Homesense. It is super pretty. Let me see. Okay, there it is. I love the little pink accent in the bling in the middle. It is super pretty, and I think it was for $25. This is an up close of the pillow. For some reason it looks like for spring I'm gonna go pink though, because I have been collecting a lot of pink items, but I wanted to do some hot pink, so we'll see how this is gonna work. But that was the color I was thinking of doing for spring. But I love that pink, and I already have a pink through. Pink flowers are coming up soon. I'm gonna show them to you guys. So yeah, I found this mirror as well, which I thought was super nice too. They were $17. I got two of them. I thought two of them on top of another would be really nice. So you guys can let me know what you think. I bought this rose gold clock. It is simple, but it is super pretty. $25, really nice. And I also got this wall art for $20. This one was a nice one to add some dynamic to whichever room. Since I normally have a lot of golds and off-white color, let me give you guys a little close-up. And this one was $20. From Homesense, I got myself another Glam Vase. Of course, you guys know I'm obsessed with vase. I think I bought vases than anything else. Yeah, vase and pillows, I'm always buying those. For some reason, I'm obsessed with them. It was for only $10. Let me see if I do a close-up. Let me show you guys the other one that I have already, so I think it would be a nice one to match, pair them up together. Let me go show you guys. So I have this one. Maybe if I have one more, that would be a look. I need to go look for one more. From Home Goods, I got these long branches. They only came in a pack of 3. Okay, and they are $10. Okay, they are from Home Goods. Another thing that I got from Home Goods is this vase. It was $15. I thought it was super pretty. Give you guys a close-up. From Amazon, I got a warmer, and it's for the kitchen. It's a plastic wok, but it is super pretty. There it is. Okay, it's super pretty, and it says kitchen cook for love from Amazon. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I will put a link for it. Okay, so let me show you guys the next item. From Target, I got this beautiful basket, you guys. It is super, super pretty. Let me show you. I think it's super pretty and different. And it's deep too. It can take a lot of stuff, but what I like about it, if you don't want to use it as a basket, okay, so you can definitely use it as a table. Let's see if I can find something to put in it for you guys. Just like that, you have a super chic looking table in the corner. So I really like it. Look at that, you guys. You see that? Super cute and chic. Like that, it looks like such an expensive table. Alright, this is it, you guys. You see that? It's really nice. Very pretty basket. It is from Target. I think it was $50 though. Look at these beautiful candles, you guys. They are from Big Lots. They are super, super pretty. I love them. I love that they have the lettering in gold. And I selected the C for my last name and for my older son first name. I could not find any other lettering that goes with the family, so I picked this too. I got a total of 4 of them. Let me show you. They are definitely great ones for the spring season coming up. I think they would look really nice with some hot pink flowers. Yeah, and they were $6. Thought they were great. And they smell good too. Yep. These are from Big Lots, you guys. Super pretty. Let me line them up so you guys can see better. Really nice. I love the pearl look that they have. I'm gonna show you guys some flowers that I bought from Michael's, and they were 70% off. They were part of the holiday collection, and now they are on clearance. I'm gonna show you. This one is super pretty, but I think the reason I'm more excited about these flowers, I can definitely use them for spring. The colors are not that bad, and the glitter on them are not that bad either. So you see, look at my hands. These are all the glitters that I have, so I think I can definitely use them for spring. What do you guys think? So look at this one. So they are 70% off at Michael's. Of course, yeah, know I got some gold. And I think all of the wenches were less than $2. Yeah. Look at this one. It is super pretty as well. And this one, they are all very pretty. Yeah. Did I show you guys this one? This is a totally different one too. All right, so these are from Michael's at 70% off. I wanted to show you guys these mugs that I got from the dollar store. I got a couple of them. I think I got 4 of them. They are very popular on Instagram and on YouTube, and they are much more expensive when I look at them at other places. So if you want to join the trend, so go to the dollar store and get yourself some. I got these glasses as well for $1. I thought they were cute. Got candles. These are some really nice, super cute candles. This is the up close for the candles. $1, not bad. I also got these nice little bowl plates. I like the little gold rim on them. Yeah, for $1, not bad at all. Of course, quality is not the best, but they will do for $1. So starting next week, we're gonna go back to our 2-video routine. Saturday, I'm gonna be uploading a video showing a DIY, And then the following 2 weeks we're gonna be concentrating in the guest bathroom, the master bathroom. Of course, I'm gonna be finished showing you guys the kitchen nook. I have shown you guys the table and the rugs that I bought for it, but I couldn't do anything because I had to wait for my shoulder to get better so I can lift up the table since it's very heavy. So this is what I'm gonna be showing you guys in the next couple of weeks. Yeah, if you guys want me to do a Valentine's Day look, bed or table, please let me know. Put a comment below. I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much for spending some time with me today. Make sure you hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. And please don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Glam Squad with Dalou. Share this video with all of your friends or your family, or at least somebody you think who might be interested in this type of video. I will see you on Saturday. I love you so much. Mwah.